Here's a fun one. This is a Moen cartridge, and it literally broke off. The stem broke off when the customer turned off the valve, and you can see the end of it there. It's snapped off down in there, and we're trying to extract it. We're trying to get the old cartridge out. Been at it for about 20 minutes, trying to drive screws into it, heat it. I've been heating on it and trying to figure out how to get it out. So we're going to see what we can do here. See if this guy is here. It is solid still. It is solid. I'm going to crack up the tile, even though it's ugly tile. Let's heat on it some more. I'm going to come back in here and see where we're at. Well, I pulled on the screw and then pulled the screw right out of the plastic. So that's still in there. I think we're only going to have to, don't want to damage the brass, because then the new one won't seal. We'll have to tear the whole wall apart. So, we're dealing with here. Okay, I ran another screw in a different location. It melted it a little bit more. Let's see if we can get anything to give here. No. Nope. Just pulls out the screw. So I think we're just gonna. I can't get anything in there to grab hold of the center stud. I don't have any needle nose vice grips, which I probably should have. But with what I have available to me right now, looks like it's fire. Let's see if any smoke around this. It's just ridiculous. I've never had such a crazy one. Taking it out here, little by little. This is very corroded, so that those seals on there are just not releasing. Okay, I'll think about this for a minute and come back. Trying to get this thing to melt down enough that it'll either release and dig it out or melt it all the way out. Try pulling this out here. See if we can get all this metal in the center, and I can grab it barely. Oh, there's something moving now. Yeah. Got the core out. Big old steam bath. Steaming up everything. Let's see, we got the core melted out. Core loose. So now we can pull the plastic out here and pick the plastic out more carefully. It's all quenched. Peel out this plastic that's. Oh, there we go. Getting a little something happening here. We just had to really heat that. Oh, wow. plastic was fused to the brass. Oh. Almost got it. There's the rubber seals on the sides. Okay, I think I'm gonna get it here. Ah, it's coming, I think. It's coming out. Let's see if we can. I'll just try to get a hold of it. Let's see here. I kind of had a. Keeping a hold on it. Turkey, come on. I'm getting somewhere. I can't believe the difficulty of this. So there's the rubber seal. Let's see if we get that rubber seal out. It might give us a little more slide. I don't know. Got it. There it is. There's the back half of it. Now we got to check the bore and make sure that we didn't scratch the brass. So I'll get a wire brush and polish this out, and then we'll be able to see what we have left in the wall. All right, let's have a. Okay, here we go. Polish this thing up and see what we can see. So you can see there's some scratching from the drill or screw down in there, but I was careful when I put the screw in there to not put it in places where it was near where the seals go, because I know how this is designed. So I tried to avoid places where I would damage the seal surface. So I think that we're okay on the sealing surface. We'll find out in a few minutes when we put the new one in. But I'm going to get an emery cloth and sand it on that, on those screw marks. Hopefully we're still good. If not, we'll have to go in there more. But yeah, I think that's going to work out okay. It's pretty smooth now. You can see better where those scratches are. Those are in a non-critical spot, thankfully. There's a little bit slightly right over here, but I think we're good. And there's some there, but I think all of the sealing points are smooth and fine. So I'm going to put the cartridge in. Okay, it comes with this lubricant. A little bit all over this seal here. This seal here. Get it all real. This is for us getting in a little bit, but it's next guy getting the thing out. If it ever needs to come out again. So we got it all kind of oiled up. That's more of an oil. It's not really a. Make sure this is not facing up. And then slide it in there. Got a little tool that comes with it. Put that in there. Like that. It's in there. And when we turn on the water, we'll find out if it's holding dry. The old clip rusted away. So we'll get a steel one. This is a copper coated steel, I think. Copper plated. So I'm going to try to get this in there without losing it in the wall. No, Gallon? There it is. Okay. It's all new and fresh. I'm going to turn on the water and see what happens. Okay. The water just came on. It seems like it's sealing up good. It's working smooth. We're just going to let that sit here under pressure, and it's completely dry in here. So we're good. We are fortunate and blessed that didn't score that brass anywhere. And we don't have a leak internally. Doesn't look like, and it's not leaking externally. So success has been achieved. We'll just put this stuff back together. Just get this screwed together here.